In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I create my thumbnail. Most people normally use Canva to design their thumbnail because Canva already have templates. All you need to do is just remove the photo there and add your photo, remove the write-up and add the write-up. But in this video, I am going to teach you how I create my thumbnail without Canva. I do not use Canva for most of my thumbnail. Most of the thumbnail you see on my videos, I create the thumbnail myself from scratch, the beginning to the end. Guys, are you ready to learn something new today? Keep watching.
So guys, click on the CapCut app. So you search for a fake background. So I will go with this one. Click on it. Then I'll click on add. You can decide to drag it a bit. Okay, something like this is okay. Something like this is okay. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to blur it. So you click on effects, click on video effect, then you search for blur. So this is blur. You click on it and you click on this check sign. Then you are going to drag this blur to the end of the thumbnail. Okay, this is it. We have finally blurred this background. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to click on overlay, click on add overlay, and then select the particular picture that you want to use for your thumbnail. I'm going with this. I'll click on it and then you click on add. So guys, this is how it's looking on the background. So we cannot leave it like this. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to extend it to the end of the thumbnail. Always extend, or anything you had, do well to extend. So after we have done this, you click on the photo, just click on it and then swipe to your right and click on remove BG. BG stands for background. Click on it and then click on auto remover. Click on it and then it will remove this background. Guys, did you see that? So you click on this check sign and then you cannot just leave it like this because it's looking small. So you can use your both fingers to expand it, something like this. Do you see it? So and then search for retouch. Click on retouch, click on face, click on face, and then you click on smooth. Click on smooth, and what I do is I drag it to 50 to 50. You can use any number you want. 50. Guys, are you seeing the magic? So after this, you click on skin tone. So this one is your choice. Anyone you like, you use. They are mostly free. So I normally use this second one, warm ivory. So you click on it and then I do not do any other adjustment. This is all I do. Just go back. Guys, are you seeing the difference? So we are not yet done. Go back again and then search for adjust. You click on adjust and then click on saturation. We are going to increase this to 10 and then you click on contrast. We are going to increase contrast to 5 and then click on brightness. We are going to brighten it a bit, so just leave it at 6. It depends on your choice. You understand? Guys, can you see the difference on the photo? Now it's looking so sharp, looking so beautiful. So you click on this check sign and now that we are done with this photo, you can always adjust the photo how you want it, but make sure the line is touching the down part of the background. Do you understand? Like this. So you're going to add your text. So click on text, click on add text. Let's say this tutorial is all about adding end screen to your videos. So the text I'll be writing will be add end screen to your videos like a pro. So that is what it will be about. I'll write add and then I'll bring it up. Then I'll just click on this check sign and I'll drag it to the end of the thumbnail. Then the next thing I'm going to do is, I do not like the way this ad is looking. It's looking too big. So I want to reduce the font. I don't like the font. So you click on style, then you click on font, and then the one I mostly love using is italic. Then you go to style, click on style, and then click on the color you like. So I'll be clicking on black, and then click on the check sign. So we are done with this first one. So the first one is add. The next one we're writing now is add end screen. Then you click on add text. Click on add text, then you type end screen. So the reason why I separated it is because I'm changing the color of this end screen, because end screen is the keyword in this place. Now I want people to see it easily, so I'll change the color to yellow. So you click on style. For you to change color, click on style, then click on the color you like. You can change the color to any color you like. So I just click on yellow because it is very bright and people can see it easily. So I'll click on this check sign. So you come down here and also drag it again to the end of the thumbnail. So this is it. And then add end screen. We are writing to your YouTube video. So the next one now is you click on add text, then you type again. It depends on how colorful you want your thumbnail to look like, so you can always change color. So add end screen to your YouTube. You click on this check sign, and then don't forget to also drag it again to your YouTube video as a pro. So that is what we are writing. For this, I'll just click on the check sign, and then I will drag it up again. So for the pro, I'll be using the same color I use for the end screen, which is yellow. So I'll just type pro, then I'll bring it down, then I'll go to style, click on the yellow one, then I'll make it bigger like a pro. Click on the check sign, then drag it again. Don't forget to drag any part, please always drag everything. Then I'll click on end screen. I want to make it like more obvious, people should easily see it clearly. Guys, this is it. So it's actually looking like a video format, and I know some people will be wondering, like, so how are we going to add it to our thumbnail? Once you are done with this part, you are done editing and doing everything you need to do. So the next thing you need to do is this: download it to your phone. Click on this download and download it to your phone. So from here, I will tell you what next you need to do. It's just like a video format, so we are going to screenshot it. So you just screenshot. I've done that now. So guys, when it's time for you to upload your video, all you need to do is that one that you screenshot is what you will add as your thumbnail. Upload that one that we screenshotted. Trust me, it will fit perfectly. It will fit perfectly. That is how it works. So that is what I mostly do. I design my thumbnail myself, and it's always come out beautiful, and I love it. So you can try different, you can explore it. Just explore. There are different ways you can make it more beautiful. There are different things you can put in place, and it will look so fine. So I just thought it wise to share with you guys. So guys, I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.